going to discuss and show the connection of a simple relay and Gaussian board. 10 LEDs are inserted with a PCB in a form of a circle. Also, with the 10 resistors are placed in the same manner. Wires are soldered with the other side of the resistor, and the other side is connected with the anode of the LEDs. A wire is also soldered to the cathode of the LEDs that will be considered as ground. We then wrapped an electric tape with the soldered connection of the wire and resistor to avoid having a contact with the ground. After the mini relay has been set up, the wires are connected to the pins of the Arduino, that is pin 13 to pin 4. A tactile switch is mounted in the breadboard as well as the resistor. This wire will be connected to the 3.3 volts or 5 volts, and this wire will be connected to the ground, and this wire will be connected to the pin 2 to form the button. After pressing the button, you'll see the lights, the LED. And that's it. It will open the Arduino folder, and then the Arduino, and the Arduino application. After opening the sketch, we will now open the folder where the file is located. For in this case, it is the roulette_final.pde. After opening the file, you can see here the code for the mini roulette. First, the LEDs are initialized with the array size of 10. We use the pin 13 to pin 4, and then the delay, which is the value of 50. It is the initial value of the roulette. Next one is the state, the chance, and the button pin, which is pin 2. The button state is low, and the temp for the temporary location of the value of the button state. Then we'll go to the next part, which is the void setup. In here, we have declared the button pin as the input, as well as the LED as the output. It is in a for loop, which is the counter is for 10 because of the LEDs, and then the random seed analog read 0 is the part of the code wherein the random function will be shuffled, and the chance is equals to random 190 to 210. And the next part will be the void loop. In here, the button state is equals to digital read button pin, and then here, if button state is equals to high, the button state will be going to the temp, and then or else the delay is to 10. Next, if temp is equals to high, the function roulette with the value of temp will be called, or else the delay is to 10. In this function, the int roulette, if temp is equals to high, the for loop, which will call this code wherein del or the delay is less than or equals to chance, the roll function will be called, or else the digital write led and then the state will be high. This roulette function will set the delay of the roulette, or else the delay is 50. In the void roll function, it is the part wherein the LEDs will be high or be determined if it is low. And then the delay is equals to del. In here, the delay value is 50 as what is the initial value of the delay. And then after the digital write has been set to low, the delay will be incremented by 2. And the state here will be the value of the I in the roulette function. And this is the code of our mini roulette.